Timmy and Ricky's Race. Once upon a time, in a sunny meadow, there was a turtle named Timmy and a speedy rabbit named Ricky. Timmy was slow and steady, while Ricky was fast and always in a hurry. One day, they decided to have a race. Ricky, confident in his speed, zoomed ahead, leaving Timmy far behind. But oh dear, Ricky got so excited that he took a nap under a shady tree. While Ricky snoozed, Timmy kept crawling along. Slow and steady, he passed the sleeping rabbit. When Ricky woke up, he was surprised to see Timmy near the finish line. Timmy smiled and said, "Slow and steady wins the race." The friends laughed together, realizing that being fast isn't always the most important thing. From that day on, they enjoyed each other's company and had more adventures together in the meadow.